Pressure-treated lumber is mostly your best bet for fighting off insects, but it's not totally bulletproof when it comes to bugs messing with your wood. So here's the thing. Pressure-treated wood gets soaked in chemicals that bugs hate, which makes it way tougher for termites and carpenter ants to chew through. But sometimes, if the wood gets damaged or isn't sealed properly, insects can sneak in through cracks or exposed untreated parts. Always keep your wood clean and dry because moisture is like a bug magnet, and even pressure-treated wood can start to rot or attract pests if it's wet. When you're building or fixing stuff, make sure you use the right type of treated lumber for your climate and pest situation. Some treatments are better against certain bugs. Inspect your wood regularly, especially if you live in a super humid or bug-heavy area, so you catch any problems before they get out of hand. Also, don't forget that over time, the chemical protection can wear down, so if your project is outside and exposed for years, keeping an eye on it helps. If you see any signs of bug damage or soft spots, replace that section instead of just covering it up. And remember, combining treated wood with other pest control methods, like barriers or insecticides, gives you the best shot at keeping bugs away for good. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pressure-treated lumber is thinking it's completely insect-proof. That's just not true. Termites and carpenter ants can still find a way in if the wood is wet or damaged, so always keep it dry and intact to avoid problems. Another common issue is using the wrong type of treated wood for the job. Like using ground contact rated wood above ground, where it's not needed, or vice versa, which can lead to faster decay or pest issues. Make sure to check the label and pick the right one. Last, people often forget to inspect their wood regularly and catch early signs of damage or bug activity. Staying on top of maintenance can save you a ton of headaches and money later on. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about pressure-treated lumber and pest prevention. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for reliable help so everyone gets what they need without the stress.